Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wanted to add slick After Effects style motion elements to your Canva projects without diving into complicated software, you're in exactly the right place. In this quick and clear tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple but powerful method to create eye-catching motion graphics in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to unlock new levels of visual excitement in your designs, all while keeping things wonderfully easy and accessible. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva. You can use the desktop version or even the browser, whatever you're most comfortable with. Canva's user-friendly design is one of its best features, so don't worry if you're brand new, you'll find your way around in no time. Now go ahead and click on the big Create button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner. This step is crucial because you're about to set the perfect dimensions for your motion element. Select Custom Size from the drop-down menu. Here, type 100 by 50 pixels. Choosing this specific size gives you a sleek, wide rectangular canvas that works great for animated accents or lower thirds. Think of it as your blank stage, just waiting for action. Don't worry if you're not sure why the size matters just yet. This dimension lets your animation fit neatly into other projects later on, and it keeps everything versatile. Once you've set those dimensions, hit Create New. You're inside your fresh workspace. This is where the magic starts to happen. On the left side, look for the Elements tab. It's usually marked with some basic shapes. Click on it and then head up to the search bar within Elements. Type Motion Animation. This little search is the real game changer because Canva has a fantastic range of animated elements built right in. Give it a second to load. Sometimes it takes a moment for all the options to appear. Now take your time scrolling through what pops up. You'll probably see everything from bouncing arrows to swooshing shapes and glowing neon effects. Here comes the fun part. Pick anything that catches your eye. There's no wrong answer. The beauty is that you're not locked into one look. You can mix and match, layer, and experiment as much as you want. Once you've dragged your chosen motion element onto the canvas, feel free to go wild with customization. Change the color to match your brand or vibe, resize the element, duplicate it, or even layer multiple animations together. Want to add text on top? Just click the text tool and type away. Maybe adjust the speed of the animation, tweak the transparency, or add a background to make the motion pop. The possibilities are almost endless. This is where your creativity gets to shine. If you get stuck or something doesn't look quite right, don't worry, just hit undo and try something new. Canva's all about experimenting until it feels just right. And honestly, that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've created your own After Effects like animated element, ready to use in YouTube intros, presentations, or social media posts. Canva might not have every feature that After Effects does, but you'd be surprised how much animation power you can unlock here. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It helps more folks find these tips. Feel free to drop any questions or share what you created in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy, effective Canva tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.